Okay, down here at the Alamo. That's a neat old building there. It's not the Alamo. I think it's a hotel. Are you ready for the Alamo?
I'm ready.
The wind?
The wind.
Might be stormy later.
Good.
Can you see me? Can you see you?
I can see me.
Can you see the Alamo? There's the Alamo. Not Alamode.
No,
That's the
no,
Alamo. So here we are in San Antonio, and then tonight we're gonna do that river walk thing. It's supposed to be all the Christmas lights are still there, so we're gonna check that out. What else do you want to do here?
Eat.
Eat? Thrift stores, flea markets?
Eat.
Okay. So this is the river walk down here during the day. We're gonna see if we can see here, and then later on the night we'll come down here where all the lights are on. Okay, you ready for the river walk? Lots of water. Yeah, Miranders all over the place here. Hey, how about you? Hey, you like this hotel? Hey, look at the elevators here. Oh, the way up in there. Wow. Yeah, there's the boats going down through here. There goes Leah down the little river walk. Okay. Oh, here comes a boat. You want to do a boat ride? Maybe later when all the lights are on? Check out this boat coming by. I think they're all drunk. They do have those margaritas you can buy there. Yeah! Neat shot down through there. Probably neat when it's all lit up at night. I'll see if I can get these people to yell here.
Okay.
Hey! Happy New Year! So where are we?
Hey.
About in the middle, aren't we? Hey, look at that tree. Wow. That is huge. A duck fight. Oh man.
They're male and female.
They're... Let's see if I can get these guys yelling. See if I can get these guys yelling.
Three buildings so far, Aspect Theater, McConnell Hotel, and Monsoon Mobile. All three of which are excellent examples of conservation, which is a bit of a major thing.
They're going down the walk there. Pretty neat area. Almost like Venice in Italy. I've been there. Oh, it's getting dark.
The river ride.
Are you ready for the river boat ride?
Okay.
Okay, let's go do that. Here's a bunch of lights here. We're not even at the boat walk. So we're getting ready to get on one of these boats, and there's one coming down the way there. Well, we never did find the boat, but we found some pretty lights. And there's a lot of lights down through here. Very pretty